With regards to MMFF, maraming nagsasabi magaganda na may quality yung films, pero nakamahalan ticket. Possible ba na this year may baba yung ticket with regards doon sa pakikipag-usap?
Well, may mga previous discussions naman sa CEAP, yung Cinema Exhibitors Association of the Philippines, na nagmay-ari ng mga sinihan. Hindi pa lang siguro namin naupuan this past years. But now, seriously, we are considering na i-request na sa kanila, short of mandating siguro, na i-revisit yung presyo ng sine. Maybe this time we have to try a new formula. Baka naman yung ibabawas natin sa ticket price ay makuha natin in terms of volume. So, pag-aaralan namin yan. Pero at the end of the day, it's a business decision on the part of the cinema owners. Dahil alam naman natin, may maintenance costs yan, may investment, may operating cost. So, pag-usapan namin seriously. Like any other Metro Manila Film Festival naman, after naman, nagre-revisit kami. Sa kami nagkamali, ano yung room for improvement. Dinidiscuss namin yan with the producers, with the stakeholders. So, ayusin namin definitely. Lagi naman kami nag-improve every time na so nakikita niyo naman siguro, again, kay ikaw na nagsabi na paganda yung mga pelikula. So, i-address namin lahat ng concerns.